Hello, internet world.
I don't like it. I love it, love it, love it. Uh-oh.
I'm here with Margarita E. Bravo. So today we're making the yoga challenge video, and should be interesting. Right now we're on a boat, so let's hope we don't fall off. Alright, so the first pose we're gonna do is this one.
This one holds us.
This one holds us?
Yeah.
What do you mean? This stays up?
X.
That is torture.
Pretty sure we're doing it wrong.
No, it's a box.
Yeah.
Our next yoga pose is this.
Oh, I have long legs and short arms.
Is it like this? I don't understand. I think you're supposed to go more like this. I mean, I can do this one. This one's easy. You should have done one like this. Okay, wait. My head! I think I have a concussion.
Did you jump on me?
No!
Damn, and you're heavy. I was not ready for that much weight. Ah.
I think that's a pass.
I thought that one was gonna be easy.
Next one. This one's not as dangerous.
Ah, wait, stay still. Why do you jump? It just makes everything 10 times heavier.
I don't want to kill you. I can't do it. I can't do it. That's hurtful. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is my type of yoga. Oh, we did it. Legs together. We did it. Yay! Finally won. 1 point. Our next attempt looks a little bit easier in my eyes. Wait, I don't know if I can do this. I think you're right. Maybe you need to get lower.
What do you mean?
There you go. You need to find your back one. I don't have the energy. Close enough. That was a fail. These are all fails. These are hard. Alright, this one's easier. Okay, this one has to be the easiest one. It has to. Yeah, I wouldn't put your head up. Wait. Yeah, just, no, it's go straight. Let me just put my feet on your shoulder. Because that's gonna hurt you.
You literally just put your butt on my face. Oh my god. You're horrible at this.
Maybe you should just grab my feet. You got it! Wait. Hold it. Hold it. Hold on.
I couldn't go back while your feet were on me.
My back couldn't do it anymore. I'm getting so chubby.
Easy is technically easy.
No, it's not. Anyways, want to see our view?
Not me or the camera.
you.
Oh.
Dun 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 dun.
Barbara,
What?
the view is down here.
Oh, yeah, yeah, sure.